full licence, you've got to do an actual day, an exam and everything else. So this is that yellow line they were talking about. Use your mirrors a lot. So I'm just trying to get heat in the brakes and the tyres. This is the Avon Rise. Never brake here. Brake way before. Just brake. Turn at the red cone. Come on, you bitch. So you see, no overtaking here. Brake, turn. If there's an unbelievably slow car like this that's about to topple, then it's safe to overtake.
That would be it,
Or it would be overtake. Basically, you want to make the track as straight as you can possibly make it. This is where that Subaru ate shit. Aquaplaned at about this speed and went over that. Come on, brakes, warm up. My visor's disturbingly dirty.
Falling down as well, isn't it?
It's not staying down. But yeah, brake way before. Just trying to keep it straight. I've got a shit line at the moment. I'm not going to get past, so just back off. This MX-5 is being a cunt. Maybe not. So I know I'm going to be quicker than him, but I've got an MX-5 behind. I'm just basically trying to set myself up to get a good run out. Catching Brook. But if you look, there's loads of smoke. Usually a bad sign. Don't have to go flat out constantly.
No, I definitely won't be driving as fast as this, that's for sure.
sound good. So I had a horrible noise then under braking, and there's a red flag as well.
Yeah. Is that what the lights were as well?
So the red flag's probably that sleeker that was pulled off over the back.
Yeah.
And I'm not sure what's going on with my weird noise. With a helmet, you can't hear things properly.
No.
Brooks just reported a car.
Pardon?
I think Brooks just